Gabby, put your car down. Put your car down. No, don't take the car. Aww. Aww. You guys are silly. Hi, Shanti. Hi, Shanti. Hi. Are you gonna load them back up, Gus? Gabby, stay off the track.
Cardinals are beating Dallas.
Ah! Gabby, can you put your car on the track? Gabriella. Gabby, put your car on the track. Good girl. Oh, you had it. You had it. Just put it. No! Gabzilla! Gabzilla!